Hi everyone, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. My channel is about technical analysis, news and reviews on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and YJRX WRX token. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and analyze it. Patterns are formed by the psychological behavior between the buyers and sellers. Patterns are everywhere in the universe and nature. We need to understand which one is applicable to us. I believe and study the following theories: Fibonacci ratios, wave theory, and time price analysis. If you are new to my channels, please click on subscribe button for weekly updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and YJRX WRX token. Hi guys, welcome to weekly update on Ethereum USDT pairing. It has been a good news so that like Ethereum 2 deposit contract released. Like if you see that with like Ethereum tweet has been released on just on November 4, 2020. It has been 1 hour. The deposit contract has been released. It's a big news for the entire crypto market because so many FUDs has been going on, nothing has been going on like that, but everything is going as per pre-planned things. They just waited for the right time to release the information, as because see, entire altcoin market cap has been in the bottoms and this news came at the exact point. Don't you think it's a coincidence? If you think it's a coincidence, like it's like a pre-planned system. They know when to release the particular things, when to release the contracts. Like it's like a systematic thing. Okay, let's as per the big news concerned, this is the news and it will be a big news, and maybe I'm expecting a rally for the Ethereum, big rally for the Ethereum for the next 1 year. It's huge. It's all like it's a fixed thing that we can see a big return of interest for the next 1.5 year. There may be pumps and dumps for Ethereum, but as per the long term point of view, next 12 to 15 months, it's like fixed. Like if you deserve, if you buy Ethereum, like just sleep, go on sleep it. That's it. I wake up in the next 1 year. Okay, let's have a technical analysis on weekly. Let us go for the weekly chart. If you remember, like it has been almost, I have tweeted a tweet on Ethereum weekly update on September 27th. I posted this chart also. If you observe this tweet, I have been seeing the resistance levels where we are in the market at that point of time 1 month back. It is at $315. Okay, it is at 350 like $337 at present now $400. If you purchase at that time, it's almost like 30%, I can say 30% profit, 20 to 30% profit. And the next resistance zone is like $787, and the next thing is like the all-time previous all-time high $1,400. It can go on. It's like my entire theory, and let's once again I'm going to explain step by step how we can achieve it or why we can see that. Okay, if at all if you believe in the wave theory, I believe in the wave theories and Fibonacci ratios. So I will just explain you one step by step once again. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, and this one, two, this is the third wave and fourth wave and the final wave. In the final wave there may be like this kind of things will be there in the one small up and down. And if it is in the, this is the small cycle. Okay, the bigger cycle will be like let me just show you. Okay, like ABCD, this entire thing like 0 to A, and this entire thing B. Next coming is the C, maybe. Okay, like 13,000 or something like that. Okay, 12,000, $10,000. Okay, is it reasonable? Okay, again D, something like that. It's gonna go on. Okay, let's go back. Okay, just I'm erasing it. Okay, this is the entire PO. Like this is the smaller picture, and the bigger picture is this is the entire big cycle, wave 1, and this is wave 2, and we are going for the wave 3. That means we are at this position and we are going for the wave 3. I'm showing this is the smaller cycle. In the big picture, we are at this position and we are going for the wave 3. Then you can understand we will cross this ATH very soon. That means I can say maybe this I cannot say this December, but the next May we will be above this level. By the next May 2021 we will be above this level. I'm expecting huge thing because this deposit is a big news and everybody is ready to purchase ETH, and this will can rally the market. And Bitcoin rally has been happened because of this Ethereum leading the market, and this time also Ethereum along with XRP can lead the market and push the market to the all-time highs. So let us go through it where we are in the exact thing. Okay, let us take the line chart for better understanding purpose. This is the bottom as a continuously there. This is the bottom. At present, we are like again we have to go for the smaller cycle for the shorter time frame. Okay, and again this is 0 1 let me have a guess. Okay, again we are here 0 and 1 2 and again 3 and again 4. See if you observe, or maybe let me have a guess. Okay, one in the all the three waves, one of the wave has to be very much bigger and the third wave will be the remaining two wave will be smaller. If the third wave, that means 2 to 3 is the bigger, then it will be a smaller wave. If this is the same as this, just this is not a light wave or something, I don't know which what name you can call it, but according to the final wave, if this is not the bigger wave, the final wave will be the bigger wave. That means this time frame, because every time I say the price is not the final thing. When the price and time meets the point, then it can be the reversal point. So timing also very crucial for the market. So like according to me, just everybody has to understand, as I say, okay, how much time it has been taken. 50 days. Okay, 50 days. 1 second. Let us go to the Heikin Ashi. Okay, bottom has to be take. Okay, 42 days has been taken this time period. So I have to take this as the bottom. Let us take maybe 1.5 to 42 days or like two times. Okay. So 1.5 times how what is the date coming around like 63 like December. Okay. Let us take the 84. Okay. End of December like Christmas. Okay. So my point of view is at the mid-December, I'm expecting a reversal in the entire market in the mid-December, end of December. I don't know the exact date and nobody knows the exact precise date. It's difficult to predict the exact time. So what I feel that if at all my next resistance zones I explained in this year like $787 and the previous edge is $1,400. There are two resistance levels. So what I feel that for the like weekly traders or something, so be cautious in the mid December and the end of December. If it is a the resistance zone and it is going to reversal, maybe you can take a like you can take your own decision and you can buy rebuy the at a lower pricing. This is my point of view. Like let us have a glance, let us have a chart. Okay, let us take the Fibonacci ratio also. Okay, here this is a different ratios like thing. This is not kind of thing which you have to do actually, but I'm doing in a different version. Okay, see where are the levels. If you observe this 0.236, it is the like supporting this level. See this is acts as a resistance here. It is acts as a resistance here. See exact point, and it is supporting this level. And what is the next level? Like $541. And see $541. See here, there is a kind of thing has been happened. The trading has been happened. And the next thing is $684. Okay, and the next thing is if you observe this point, I am zooming it for better understanding. Okay, like see, if you observe this, some trading has been happened. See this 0.618, it is a very crucial thing according to me. Like if you observe this, the entire trading has been happened and 0.702 also and this level. So what my thing is, just wait and observe what the things is going the entire market. Like if at all, my plan of thinking like that is, as I already said in my previous videos, 14,000 to $16 of BTC range bound and the alts can rally, and this ETH news is being coinciding with what my analysis is showing. If both coincides and if at all again if BTC rally to 14,000 to 16,000 and again go back to down and again return back to 14,000 and Ethereum at that point, if at all it is at the resistance zone, then I may think that is the end of the mini altcoin rally for this year, I can say. After that again the some correction I will go on. This every short term time I am saying, in the long term entirely bullish thing. If at all you don't want to take this short term trading, please go for it. Whatever you want to take a decision and relax and see after 1 year what will be the price, and you will be shocked and nothing can be done. Nothing, everybody will be shocked by your pricing. This is my entire point of view, and let's have a look on what stock are showing. It is showing the upward momentum in the weekly chart. See here, the blue is crossing over the red line and it expected to go up, And this is like, if you observe this, I'm zooming and see how it is the resistance, like there is a big support at $65. The daily close has not been happened. Maybe I'm showing you, see the daily candle close has not been happened here. Okay, so the still has been trading has been happened, and it is about to go for the next resistance zone. This is my overall point of view on Ethereum. So be cautious on the next resistance zone of Fib extensions. So I'm expecting like this kind of thing, big resistance at $787 and the next resistance at like previous ATH. Keep an eye on these resistance levels, and the timing is very crucial. Be cautious, and this rally can be happen for the next 40 days to 50 days. After that, again some corrections like pumps and dumps will occur all the way to entire rally. If at all you're not good at trading, please don't try to act smart. Just be have a sleep and see what it can do it. That's my overall point of view. If it is smart enough to take the advantage of the selling at the resistance level and buying at the support level, take advantage of what it can happening, and it will be beneficial for all of us. This is my entire point of view on Ethereum, and just I want to update for the things so that everybody will understand. Please understand the things. Things correct coincides with the exact thing, not like it is completed and it is already ready, but exact time it has been happened. That because if you observe this BTC dominance also, as I said in my previous video, let us have a look of weekly chart. If you observe this thing, why it is exactly coincide. If you do you observe this thing where we are at the stock RSI, see it is exactly, this is weekly chart. If you observe this, BTC dominance is at the top 100, and the next week is very crucial thing, and the US elections has been completed. I am expecting that BTC dominance is going to fall down and the alts will go rally. See, all these things is making me very bullish in the altcoin market. That's the thing. Even though so much crash has been happened, my analysis has been gone wrong for WRX thing and XRP things. But I still believe I'm buying the dips. Just now, recently I bought XRP, and again I want to purchase XRP also and Ethereum as well. So because of the bullishness in the market of altcoins and that bearishness of the BTC dominance and altcoin shows the good signs of support levels. This makes me very bullish on the altcoin market. Just wait for one week. I think you can see what the things has been happening on, and I'll come up with the update in the next week so that everybody is ready and take on. I'm not a financial advisor, and the videos in my channel is not a financial advice. I request you to do on Julian before investing in any cryptocurrency section IC1 IU. I don't take any responsibility for your profit or loss, and I will not be liable in any case. Invest only the amount which you afford to lose, as crypto is very high volatility market. Follow my Twitter account Patterns Decoder channel and join my Telegram Patterns Decoder. Thank you, one.